In Bareilly, there was a person who did not pay respect to the saints of Islam and believed that saints misuse discipleship and cheat people. Some people of his family were disciples of Ala Hazrat Imam Ahmad Raza Khan rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh. One day, they persuaded him into meeting with Ala Hazrat. On the way, they passed a confectioner's shop where amarti, a type of sweet, were being fried. Seeing delicious sweets, his mouth watered and he said, "I will go only if you give this sweet to me." They told him that he will be given the sweets while returning from the court of Ala Hazrat rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh. Anyway, they all reached the court of Ala Hazrat. Meanwhile, a man entered with a basket full of hot amarti. After Fatiha, the sweets were served to all. It was a tradition in the court of Ala Hazrat that the descendants of the family of the beloved Nabi and those who have adorned their faces with the Sunnah of beard used to be given 2 pieces of sweet. Since that person did not have a beard, he was given only 1 piece of sweet. Ala Hazrat ordered the distributing person to give him 2. He said, "Your Honor, he does not have a beard." Ala Hazrat smiled and said, "He has a strong appetite for it. Give him 1 more." Seeing that saintly miracle, after this incident, the person who does not believe in discipleship become the disciple of Ala Hazrat rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh. Dear Islamic brothers, after listening this incident, the lesson we have learned is no matter what you were and no matter what you are, if Allah wills, He will eject you from evil stuff and guide you to the right path. As it is rightly said that Allah Allah kiye jaane se Allah na mile. Allah wale hain jo Allah se mila dete hain. May Allah have mercy on him and forgive us without accountability for His sake.